Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to my channel. In this video we will see how to find out the Fourier transform of unit step function u of t. We know u of t is equal to 1 for t greater than equal to 0 and it is 0 otherwise or for t less than 0. So our unit step function can be noted like this. This is my u of t and this is 1 for t greater than 0. So this side the value is 1 and 0 otherwise. So we in order to find out, this is also not integrable function. When we integrate u of t from minus infinity to infinity, mod of u of t dt, this also tends to infinity. Therefore, in order to find the Fourier transform of unit step signal, we have to express this in terms of a signum function. Let us consider a signum function. So this is my 0.5 signum of t. So signum of t is multiplied with 0.5. So this becomes 0.5 and this becomes minus 0.5 from t less than 0 and 0.5 for t greater than 0. So how, and we know this is my u of t. Sorry, this won't be like this. Yeah. So this is my u of t. Now u of t can be expressed in terms of this thing, signum of t, as like this. So we know signum of t is what? This is equals to 1 for t greater than 0. So for t greater than 0, this u of t will be 0.5 plus 0.5 into 1. So this will become 1 for t greater than 0. And for t less than 0, we know this is minus 1. So into 0.5, so it will be minus 0.5. So 0.5 minus 0.5, this will become 0. So ultimately we are getting u of t when we are using this expression in terms of signum of t. So this thing can be written as u of t is equal to 0.5 plus 0.5 signum of t. This is nothing but my x of t value. So now we will calculate the Fourier transform. So Fourier transform is given by x of omega is equal to minus infinity to infinity x of t into e to the power minus j omega t dt. So this is my Fourier transform operator, or this thing can be written as Fourier transform of u of t. So this is nothing but 0.5 plus 0.5 signum of t. So now we can distribute this. So 0.5 can be taken common as it is a constant term. So half taken common, Fourier transform of 1 plus signum of t. Yes. So this can be written, this we can distribute the Fourier transform. So this is nothing but equal to Fourier of 1 plus Fourier transform of signum of t. So we have calculated the value of Fourier transform of signum of t in our earlier video, that was equal to 2 by j omega. So we can just substitute this, and when we calculate the Fourier of 1, we get the value 2 pi delta of omega, that is impulse function of omega it will be. So this thing becomes Fourier transform of u of t will be equal to what? Half into 2 pi delta of omega plus 2 by j omega. so 2 can be brought outside, so this 2 will get cancelled, and we are left with pi into delta omega plus 1 by j omega. So this is Fourier transform of our unit step signal. So this is how we find out the value. So the Fourier transform can be expressed, will look like this. So this is my x of omega. This is my Fourier transform of unit step signal. So, and yeah, so this is how we calculate the value of unit Fourier transform of unit step signal. I hope you have understood. It is pretty simple. Because we are not able to find out directly the Fourier transform, we have actually used or represented unit step function in terms of signum function, and we have calculated the value. So I stop my video here. I hope you have understood the concept, and that's it. Thank you.